Hi everybody, it's Eddie here from Indian Head Chrysler. Today we're going to take a look at one of the new arrivals on the lot. It happens to be in our showroom here, nice and shiny. This is a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve. This is the top of the line as far as trim levels for the Grand Cherokee. Not a whole lot has changed on the exterior, but we're going to take a look at the interior more so than anything else, because that's where the big changes have occurred. The Summit Reserves have a very unique interior in that they get a very nice color scheme on the inside with the quilted leather seats. Very comfortable. These would have heated and vented seats for the first and second row, with having its own temperature controls right on the back there. You can control the temperature as well as the heated and vented controls. Proximity unlock doors, of course. This has memory seating as well. There's all your power seat controls right there. Again, the interior, very, very classy, with the Summit name embossed right onto that leather. Once we take a look at the interior controls, this is going to look very similar to quite a lot of the Grand Cherokees that are out there right now. The nice big display, full digital screen for the driver. So on here you would be able to view all kinds of information, and of course you have your passenger screen on this side here. It is a little bit harder to see when the screen is turned off, but we're going to get the auxiliary going here, and you'll be able to see the screen turn on. So there is the screen. Now it does look a little bit dim, but because I'm at an angle, it does have a privacy setting so that it doesn't disturb the driver. The passenger can navigate, send directions to the driver right from that screen, and then it will appear on this 12-inch display right here. It does have a lot of extra features, something like the digital rear view mirror, which actually gives you a video feed from the rear camera to use as your backup camera and that sort of thing. You can have a more traditional mirror, such as that, or this. You can pick and choose whichever one you want. Tons of options. This does have the four-corner air suspension, and that is controlled right from here. Charging port right on here, so you have all your USB ports as well as wireless charging available right there, and all your 4x4 controls on this side. As far as safety features, this has pretty much everything that you can think of. Blind spot monitoring system, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, that's all found right here. It does have the night vision camera with pedestrian detection right onto the back screen here. So if we go through here, there it is. That is the night vision camera. So right now it looks very light because it's not dark enough outside, but at nighttime this will detect any wildlife or pedestrians that are crossing the street in big bright squares actually. So that comes with this equipped right off the bat. And of course the 8.4-inch Uconnect screen with the Macintosh upgraded stereo system. Tons of options in this vehicle. If you want to come and take a look at it, we have two of these on the lot. So give us a call, 306-695-2254, and set up your test drive appointment today.